Hello, kids! Today we will learn numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
O-N-E.
1.
Whoa.
N-E-1. 1.
T. W-O.
2. 2. 2. 2.
T. H-R-E-E.
3. 3.
3.
3.
F. O-U-R.
4. 4. 4.
F-I-V-E. 5.
5. 5.
S-I-X. C-I-X. 6.
S-I-X. 6.
S-E-V-E-N.
7. 7. 7.
E-I-G-H.
T. 8.
8. T.
8.
N-I-N-E. 9. 9.
9.
T. E-N.
T-N.
10.
10.
Great job, kids! You learned 1 to 10.
Yay!
Like, subscribe, and see you next time.